So you're gonna need a bowl, some aloe vera that I've already chipped into my bowl, an empty container to pour your mixture in, and some tea tree oil or your favorite essential oil, but I would recommend tea tree oil. Then in the bowl you have everything. I'm just gonna use my hand and squish everything out, separating the jelly from the juice. Does that make sense? But you know what I mean. Just so that there's more liquid in the aloe vera, because aloe vera is just a bunch of gels. Now you're gonna separate it by pouring it into the strainer, and using a spoon you're gonna move it around so it helps the gel come out and go in the container faster, otherwise it'll take a lot of time. Now aloe vera is really good for the skin. It hydrates, clear the skin, and it takes out fine line, helps with stretch mark and all sort of thing. Not saying you'll have stretch mark on your face, that's kind of weird, but yeah, and the tea tree oil helps clear up acne. Tea tree oil is really good for acne, so yeah, that will work out perfect. I would recommend this if you have oily skin, to use it under makeup or just as your normal moisturizer. But if you have dry skin, you want to use this only when you're going to sleep, so as a sleeping mask, or you can use it if you're just at home chilling, but don't use this outside, not in the winter, because it'll just dry up your skin, because it is a water-based moisturizer slash eye cream, and you want to be careful. Now I'm just applying it into my skin to show you guys how I do it, where I put it, and as you guys can see, I'm putting it everywhere on my face. And it's really refreshing and hydrating because of the aloe vera. I usually shove it in the fridge, so it's more refreshing when you take it out. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys. Bye.